I've spent 40 years studying aging muscles, and what I'm about to tell you might just shock you. Do you ever worry that your legs aren't as strong as they used to be? That a simple walk feels just a little more challenging, or that you hesitate before taking the stairs? The reason most people lose leg strength after 60 isn't just getting old. It's a specific biological process happening deep inside your muscles that scientists are now paying very close attention to. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using the protein we eat to build and repair muscle. It's a condition called anabolic resistance. That's why simple things start to feel heavier. Not because your legs are suddenly weak, but because your muscles are slowly starving for the right fuel. But what if I told you that you can fight back? What if I told you there's a simple eating pattern, a daily blueprint that can wake up your muscle cells and command your body to rebuild strength? This isn't about a single magic superfood. This is a pattern built on 5 key food pillars. In fact, when researchers studied elderly populations who followed this exact pattern, they saw remarkable results in balance, walking speed, and restored leg endurance in just a matter of weeks. This means your age doesn't decide how strong you stay. What you eat does. In this video, we're going to reveal the 5 pillars of eating proven by science to rebuild leg strength, protect your bones, and restore your movement, no matter your age. This isn't a restrictive diet. It's about consistently giving your body the right signals to fight back against muscle loss. So if you're ready, let's begin. 1. The foundation, high-quality protein. Let's start with the absolute cornerstone of muscle health, high-quality protein. As we get older, our bodies naturally go through sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle. The most powerful tool we have to fight this is a consistent intake of high-quality protein. Think of it as the essential building blocks for your muscles. Trying to strengthen your legs without enough protein is like trying to build a brick wall with no bricks. This is why experts now recommend that healthy older adults eat 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, which is significantly more for younger adults. So what does this look like? Let's talk about one of the most powerful protein sources on the planet, eggs. A landmark study from the University of Illinois found that elderly people who ate whole eggs daily had 57% more muscle protein synthesis compared to those who only ate egg whites. The yolk contains vitamin D, choline, and a critical amino acid called leucine, which acts like a molecular switch that tells your muscles to grow. But it's not just about eggs. The key is variety. For lunch or dinner, lean meats like chicken or turkey are fantastic. And you absolutely want to include fatty fish like salmon or tuna at least twice a week. This is a double win. You get the muscle-building protein plus a massive dose of omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerhouses at reducing the inflammation that can make joints stiff and sore. And we can't forget plant-based proteins. Foods like lentils, black beans, and chickpeas are excellent choices. A hearty lentil soup or a salad topped with chickpeas delivers protein along with fiber and minerals that support your overall health. And don't overlook Greek yogurt. It's a fantastic option because it contains both fast and slow digesting proteins, which helps enhance muscle synthesis over a longer period. The key takeaway here is consistency. Aiming for 20 to 35 grams of protein with each meal sends a constant signal to your body to build muscle, not break it down. This is the foundation upon which all other leg strength is built.
2. The support system, leafy greens. Now, protein builds the muscle, but what about the framework that muscle is attached to? Your bones. You can have the strongest muscles in the world, but if your bones are weak, you're still at a high risk for fractures. This is where our second pillar comes in, dark leafy greens. I'm talking about spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are nutritional powerhouses, packed with calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, three nutrients absolutely vital for maintaining strong bone density and supporting muscle function. Calcium is the primary mineral that makes up your bones, but it doesn't work alone. It needs vitamin K, which plays a critical role in guiding the calcium into your bones where it belongs. And magnesium is the quiet achiever here. It's essential for hundreds of biochemical reactions, including muscle contraction and relaxation. It's simpler than you think it might be to get these in. Toss a large handful of fresh spinach into a morning omelet. For lunch, have a side salad with a base of kale. But here's a pro tip that makes all the difference. Always pair your leafy greens with a source of healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil. Why? Because vitamin K is fat-soluble, which means your body needs fat to absorb it. Without that fat, you could be eating a mountain of spinach and not getting the full benefit. Think of these greens as the essential support crew for your legs. Before we get to our third food pillar, I want to ask you something. Are you finding this information helpful? If so, smash that subscribe button right now. We create content just like this every day, designed to give you practical, science-backed advice for staying strong and active. And I'll be reading the comments. What's one food you already eat that makes you feel stronger? Share your experience. It might inspire someone else watching right now. 3. The Energizers, potassium and vitamin C-rich foods. All right, let's talk about energy. You can eat all the protein and greens in the world, but if you don't have the fuel to power your muscles, you'll constantly feel tired. This is where our third pillar comes in, foods rich in potassium and vitamin C. Let's start with potassium. This mineral is absolutely essential for proper muscle and nerve function. A deficiency can lead to cramps, weakness, and fatigue. One of the best sources for this is the sweet potato. In fact, when Harvard researchers analyzed the diets of the strongest elderly people on Earth in Okinawa, they discovered that those consuming sweet potatoes regularly had significantly more muscle fibers in their legs. Sweet potatoes are packed with potassium and also provide complex carbohydrates, a slow, steady release of energy that fuels your activity. Other great sources are bananas, avocados, and beans. Next up is vitamin C. We think of it for our immune system, but it's critical for synthesizing collagen, the protein that makes up our connective tissues and tendons. When you're active, you create tiny micro tears in your muscles. Vitamin C helps repair this damage, allowing your muscles to heal and rebuild stronger. Colorful fruits are your best bet. Oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are all fantastic. A bowl of mixed berries with Greek yogurt is a perfect combination, giving you a dose of protein and vitamin C in one go. Think of these foods as the team that keeps your muscles energized and running smoothly.
4. The lubricant, healthy fats. We've built the muscle and energized the system. Now we need to keep the entire machine well-oiled. That's the job of our fourth pillar, healthy fats. For a long time, fat was the enemy. But we now know the right fats are essential, especially as we age. Healthy fats, particularly omega-3s, are powerful anti-inflammatories. Chronic inflammation is a major cause of muscle breakdown and joint pain. This is why fatty fish like salmon is a superstar. A groundbreaking study from Washington University School of Medicine found that older adults who ate salmon just 3 times per week experienced muscle growth and strength increases typically seen in people 30 years younger. You get high-quality protein and anti-inflammatory omega-3s all at once. But fish isn't the only source. Snacking on a small handful of walnuts or almonds is a fantastic choice. Exclusively use extra virgin olive oil for salads and light cooking. And avocados are another favorite. They're a great source of healthy fats and potassium, checking 2 boxes at once. The key is to be intentional. Replace processed vegetable oils with these whole food sources. You're essentially lubricating your body from the inside. 5. The master plan, the overall dietary pattern. This brings us to the fifth and most important principle. It's not a single food, but the philosophy that ties everything together. Eating one healthy meal doesn't make you healthy, just like one walk doesn't make you fit. The real secret is the consistency of your overall dietary pattern. It's not about being perfect, it's about creating a framework. The patterns most studied and proven to protect against age-related muscle loss are the Mediterranean and traditional Japanese diets. And when you look at them, you'll see they are built on the four pillars we've just discussed. They emphasize vegetables, fruits, and legumes, feature fish and lean proteins, and rely on healthy fats from olive oil and nuts. What they are low in is processed foods and refined sugars. This is the magic. It's not one food you eat every day, but a pattern you follow every day. Your breakfast is eggs with spinach. Your lunch is a salad with grilled chicken and olive oil. Your dinner is a piece of salmon with a sweet potato. It's not a diet, it's a way of eating that ensures with every meal you are actively giving your body the tools it needs to repair, build, and energize.
So let's quickly recap the five-part pattern for building stronger legs. First, the foundation. Prioritize high-quality protein like eggs, fish, and legumes at every meal. Second, the support system. Eat dark, leafy greens like spinach daily for bone-strengthening minerals. Third, the energizers. Incorporate potassium and vitamin C-rich foods like sweet potatoes and berries to fuel your muscles. Fourth, the lubricant. Choose healthy fats from salmon, nuts, and olive oil to fight inflammation. And fifth, the master plan. Focus on a consistent dietary pattern modeled after the Mediterranean approach. This is a testament to the power of small, consistent daily choices. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one principle. The power to build stronger legs and maintain your independence is not in a magic pill. It's on your plate. If you found this nutritional blueprint helpful and are ready for more science-backed strategies to live a stronger, healthier life at any age, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Nitro Wellness. Thank you for watching, and start building a stronger you today.